Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Jack Nature Travel. In this video I show you the two beautiful waterfalls of Faido. Please stay till the end, it will be entertaining and interesting. Faido is a small village in the canton of Ticino in Switzerland. In Faido there is the impressive and famous Piumogna Waterfall and the small Colonico Waterfall. Piumogna Waterfall is 43 meters high, one of the most spectacular in Ticino. A must-see attraction for nature lovers. Piumogna Waterfall is easily accessible on foot. Seating and picnic areas are available. After an easy hike, the upper waterfall with the beautiful bridge can be admired. The Colonico Waterfall is outside the village center and is also easily accessible from the village. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video then show it with a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel completely free of charge. Bye. See you next time.